Before we start this video, I would love to personally apologize because I wore my dress wrongly. My audio won't be great. I hope you all enjoy this video and not click out. Thank you. Your friends are into crypto and you're not. Oh my god. I'm just like you because I was not in crypto until I had to put my legs into it and realize how complex, complicated, risky, and also fun it can be. We've seen our friends participate in crypto one way or the other. It could be art, it could be tap, that's airdrops, it could be gaming, it could be music, it could be writing, it could be any form of crypto whatsoever. We're confused. How? Is it meant for everybody? What if I get scammed? In this channel, we're going to journey together through different milestones of crypto, starting from just being a newbie, which I am now, to being an average learner, someone that I've learned enough, and to being an expert. This is a journey that shows growth. You cannot just be an expert in crypto. You have to start from a little bit of steps before you get to that point you want to be in. When you are diving into crypto, it is very good to make your research. Do something you know you can be consistent with. Do something you know you are good with, and you'll be able to dedicate time, energy. Sometimes you might need to sacrifice some funds in order to invest, because crypto is like an investment. A risky investment, definitely, but it's a very good investment for the future. Crypto might be the future. You never know. So when it comes to crypto, it can be very, very complex. You are not only putting your money into an unstable system, you also have a high risk of losing your money due to fluctuation of prices. So I'm going to talk about complexity of crypto to a newbie. When I first started crypto, it was like, what the hell am I saying? What is this? Then I was told to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all those strong coins. I don't know what strong coins you have now. I don't know the century you are in. I don't know the year you are in. But right now, Bitcoin is very, very strong. Ethereum, Solana, they are really, really good, These coins, I was also investing in them, and I did. Looking at it fluctuate, go up. The more my money increases, the more I'm like, oh my god, I'm going to be rich. Then my money comes down. Pum, I'm like, oh no, and then it goes up again. Those emotional mood swings and all that. So it was really a roller coaster for me, but I really learned a lot, and that was the start of my journey with crypto. I won't say everything on this video because I've been through a lot. I've invested my money, I've gained, I've lost, I've grown a lot from when I was still a new newbie. I'm not my new newbie again. I've already experienced some things. But then you might be a new newbie, and you might want to look at things from the eye of a new newbie, which I can also give you because I'm trying to put my legs in your shoes and try to make you understand how you feel. Right now, crypto is going to be complex for you. You're going to not understand so many terms. You will not understand what fiat is. You will not understand what crypto itself is. You will not understand what airdrop is. You will not understand even the platforms. You'll be like, why do people participate in airdrop? Why are there platforms that ask for ton in order to withdraw or in order to participate in airdrops? Why are they doing that? Is it not supposed to be free? We are going to discuss all that during our coming videos, but right now we're just introducing it. Okay, there's scams everywhere. When you first see crypto as a newbie, newbie, you're going to be reluctant to join. You don't understand why you have to join in the first place. You would think it's something that is very difficult. You would think it's something you might not be able to venture in. You would think it's something you have to put most of your earning in, which is not true. Crypto is like a long-term investment. If you want to invest in crypto, you will have to at least make time for it, make your research, and do well to dive deeper into it. No more than you already know. Learn, relearn, unlearn, and relearn again. When you're in crypto as a newbie, newbie, not like I'm a newbie, but I'm not a new newbie. You have a high tendency of getting scammed. I won't say I've been scammed. I've been very, very careful. But there was this time someone sent me a Telegram link to join a crypto box or something. They were in partnership with Binance, with Bybit. We should follow them on Telegram, follow them on Instagram, everything. And it seems so simple because they even asked for our BEC Binance wallet, address, like the address for deposit. And we're like, oh, that's good. Since they're not asking for my credentials, they're not asking for something personal. They only asked me to refer 3 people, and then I will earn 50 USDT. Since I've already gotten 25 USDT, it was just so beautiful. It felt nice, it sounded good in my ear. Things got out of hand when they told us to deposit money for gas fee. Hello? They were telling us to deposit money for gas fee in order to withdraw the 75 USDT. Like, are you okay? Are you fine? It was at that moment I realized that, yeah, these people are trying to scam me, they're trying to collect my money. When you start, it will be very, very difficult. You'll be confused, you won't understand what you are doing. In fact, you might watch videos from experts and still not understand because they might use very, very big terms like blockchain, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? It's some kind of new dollar. Oh my god. Solana. You're like, how is Solana somebody's name? Oh my goodness, who is Solana? You might also invest some money. Let's say you invest $10 in Bitcoin, or you invest 5,000 naira in Bitcoin, and then you see your 5,000 naira grow up to 10,000 naira due to the fluctuation of prices in the market, and you are like, oh my god, yes, my money is growing, and then it reduces to $4 next day. That's a risk when you invest your money in Bitcoin, especially, or in any coin, especially if it's strong, if it's a coin that has a tendency to grow over the years. You've made your research, people have already predicted it, everyone, it has good reviews. Put the amount you want to invest on that coin and just forget about the coin for then, you know, and live for future purpose. Of course, just don't check it, because if you are checking it, you'll be seeing it go up, you see it go down, and you'll be frustrated. So you invest the money and then you will leave it for a while for it to grow, so that you don't get heart attack because your money reduced or increased. When it comes to crypto, you're open to risk of losing funds to fake coins, to scammers, to schemes that crash later on, because you are just starting your journey in crypto, you've not made your research, so you just invest in anything. Even if you're into NFTs, there's a tendency you might get into NFT and your NFT might not sell. There might also be a tendency you sold your NFT, you've got, let's say, 2 Ethereum, and then you try to withdraw it, you use the wrong address by mistake. Crypto journey is just, it's a big world, it's a whole new world entirely. You can own a shop on NFT, you can own, see, anything, regardless of what you're doing, music or, I don't know, writing or anything at all you are great at, you can excel through crypto, but you have to know what you're doing. During my next video, I'm going to tell you how I started crypto, my journey, the worst airdrops I've ever joined, the best airdrops I've ever joined. Everything is not about big words. Everything is not about I'm an expert, come and watch my video, I will tell you what to do. What if you mention fiat and I don't know what fiat is? So if you want to know what fiat is like the normal currency you use, like your dollar note, your naira note. So there might be so many terms that an expert will tell you that it might not get you confused, or an expert might not want to put his legs in your shoes. But that doesn't mean that you should not have mentors. Have mentors, read biographies, read how people started, you know, try to venture through. This is a journey through the eyes of a newbie, and we are going to go through different milestones. We are going to go from being a newbie to being an average learner to being an expert, and hopefully it affects the name of this channel, because we can't be a crypto newbie channel forever. We have to switch the name soon. Just hope one day we are crypto expert channel, who knows. But then this is a very nice video for anybody. Even if you watch it in 10 years time, 20 years time, you are always free to watch this video and understand that the journey through crypto is not going to be easy for you. It will be difficult. You might fall into the hands of scammers. You might find it difficult to trust anyone. But just know what you're doing. Document your goals. Document what you are good at. Make research on that field and know how to earn crypto from that field. I hope to see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Take care and have a nice time.